Welcome to renenergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At renenergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. An important factor in the hydrogen economy's development is the life cycle cost, LCC, of green hydrogen generation. The LCC covers all expenses incurred over the complete life cycle of green hydrogen production, distribution, and usage, from the acquisition of raw materials to the elimination of any waste. The LCC is a crucial indicator for comparing the cost-effectiveness of various hydrogen production processes as well as for assessing the economic feasibility of green hydrogen generation. The acquisition of raw materials, such as water and renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and geothermal, is the initial stage in the manufacturing of green hydrogen. Depending on the location and accessibility of the resources, the cost of various raw materials might change significantly. For instance, the cost of solar energy may be greater in locations with little sunshine, whereas the cost of wind energy is often lower in areas with substantial wind resources. The electrolysis process, which includes splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity, is the second stage in the generation of green hydrogen. The price of the energy required to power the reaction and the effectiveness of the electrolysis technology both have a significant role in determining the cost of this procedure. For instance, the LCC of producing green hydrogen may be greatly decreased by using low-cost, high-efficiency electrolysis technology. Transporting and distributing the hydrogen to end customers is the third phase in the generation of green hydrogen. The distance between the hydrogen-producing plant and the end customers, as well as the manner of transportation, heavily influence the cost of transportation and distribution. For instance, it is often less expensive to carry hydrogen via pipelines than it is to do it through truck or ship. Applications for end users. The usage of the hydrogen is the last stage in the synthesis of green hydrogen. The nature and scope of the applications, as well as the effectiveness of the hydrogen-powered systems, all have a significant role in determining the cost of end-use applications. For instance, using hydrogen as a car fuel or an energy source for industrial operations may dramatically lower the life cycle cost, LCC, of producing green hydrogen. Effects on the environment. The LCC for producing green hydrogen also takes into account the environmental effects of producing, transporting, and using hydrogen. These effects include waste production, water usage, land utilization, and greenhouse gas emissions. Minimizing these effects throughout the course of the hydrogen's complete life cycle is crucial for ensuring the sustainability of green hydrogen generation. Economic sustainability. A key element in the growth and development of green hydrogen generation is its economic feasibility. In order to assure its broad implementation, the LCC of green hydrogen generation must be competitive with conventional hydrogen production techniques, such as steam methane reforming. The economic feasibility of green hydrogen generation may be greatly enhanced by the development of low-cost, high-efficiency green hydrogen production technologies and the expansion of the renewable energy industry. In conclusion, the life cycle cost, LCC, of producing green hydrogen is a crucial statistic for assessing its economic feasibility and sustainability. The LCC includes all expenses related to the production, distribution, and use of green hydrogen over the course of its entire life cycle, and it takes into account things like the cost of obtaining raw materials, the effectiveness of the electrolysis process, the cost of transportation and distribution, the applications for which it will be used, and environmental effects. The LCC and economic feasibility of green hydrogen generation may be further enhanced through the development of low-cost, high-efficiency green hydrogen production technologies and by the expansion of the renewable energy industry. Thank you for choosing renenergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at renenergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.